Okay, another video from lockdown. I can't remember what day it is, but I do remember that this is the right time to be thinking about housekeeping. I've talked about contracts before and auto renewals and making sure that you've got dates in the diary. Another thing that you could be thinking about is your intellectual property. If, like most of the working world, you've been concentrating on preserving and shoring up your business, you've probably had a look at your websites, had a think about your branding, doing all the more creative stuff around your business. If you haven't registered your trademark, which could consist of a logo and a phrase, you're doing all of that hard work and potentially inviting someone to come along and stomp all over it and copy it. At that point, all you've got probably is an argument in passing off. And if they've got deeper pockets than you might have to think about rebranding your whole business just as a cost-saving exercise, which is an awful thought. If you've registered that stuff, then you've got an intrinsic right straight off the bat to go on the attack and protect your assets. It also gives you something more valuable to sell if you're thinking about selling your business. So we can help you with all of this, from carrying out searches of existing trademarks, the application for registration, and just take it off your hands. We package that up. It's not rocket science, it's not grossly expensive, and don't let anyone tell you that it is. If, on the other hand, you find that someone's copying your intellectual property and you want to do something about that, we can send a nasty letter and hopefully get them to stop early doors. But I have put underneath a nice handy guide for registration of trademarks and why it's important commercially, not legally. I have written a little